So we're gonna do a little bit of yard work today. It's raining. We got rain for the next 4 days, so we don't really want to sit inside. So we'll try to find some dirt to fill these holes in, and yeah, fun stuff. I mean, everything's so soupy. I'm gonna chip the driveway. Maybe we'll do some driveway repair too. Get everything all sorted out. Looks like some soil here. I don't know what that is. Yeah. It's not black. I think that's soil or clay.
I think that's soil. Or red.
Red soil? I thought soil was supposed to be black.
No, you can buy red. You could buy red soil.
Yeah? Alright, well.
Like I think this down here is clay.
That's what I mean. Did it come from here though? I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see if anything grows in it. Fill up the trailer and drop a load. Squeeze it. Like grab a handful and then see if you can make a ball with it. I don't know. It's gotta be clay. Yeah. So I guess the hunt continues. Just a little bit of soil. It's down near our landing. I guess when he was excavating the ditch, probably where it went. It's more soil than clay here. There's another spot up top we're gonna check, and if that doesn't work out, I think we'll go to the swamps. Go!
Yeah, drink it like.
Who's gonna steal it?
Here, Roof. Roof.
Go! It's so wet. Good. So
He's raining.
I think this is it. I'm done after this. I quit. Might be a bit much, eh?
Nope, it'll be good once you start patting it down, I think.
The rocks just keep falling down. Alright, well, the ambition has become low. It just keeps raining. Doesn't stop, glass falling off, fogging up. It's just miserable now. But at least we got the 3 holes filled. I found some spots of dirt, so for future, there's some other spots over here need to get done. Some low spots are gonna build up, and all sorts of fun stuff with a little short video, but that's gonna do it for today's video. Bear season's starting soon, so we'll be baiting and shooting pretty soon. I hope we get a bear. This will be the first year that we've tried to hunt for big game. But till next time.